Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes, computer class, 10th class. 10th class, we are reading part A, unit 2nd, stress management. In this, we are reading first session, stress management and its technique. In the previous class, I told you what is the meaning of stress and what is the importance of a stress management. Now, we will discuss about stress management techniques. Stress management technique help to guide and empower individuals to maintain equilibrium and live a productive life and happy life also. So here is some techniques. Physical exercises. Exercise include all activities that maintain physical fitness and mental well-being a person. It makes happy and active to build a strong immunity. Now what is the effective of physical exercise? It helps to release endorphins. In a frustrating situation, a person start feeling stress. If we start exercise, then we feel good. Exercise make a person steady and help him to tackle stress situation strongly. It improve the state of the body, means a healthy brain live in healthy body. It can help to build confidence and self-esteem. If you are fit and fine, then you are very confident person. Next, yoga. Nowadays all of you are familiar with this. In India we gave International Yoga Day. Yoga is considered to be the finest legacy of the Indian culture. What is the effective advantage of this? Reduce in cholesterol. If our cholesterol is getting low, it will produce low density of heart attack. Sound sleep, sense of happiness, removal of different alignment from the body, enables to focus on the present, emotional control over self. Next, meditation. Meditation means we need to concentrate on a single point for a long time. It will meditation. We just sit in silently and do it continuously. What is the effective advantage? Helping the individual to focus on the present. We will focus, building up traits such as tolerance, creativity and imaginations, helping to change the perspective during difficult situations, providing a stronger sense of motivations, means we are able to get it from our inside, developing a sense of self awareness. Next, vacation with friends and family. Whenever we feel low in emotions, we need to keep on work on this topic. We will spend time with our family and friends. After that, we will make up good. It adds variety to life. Whenever you are getting bored, you play with your small kids at home. Helps to develop various hobbies like photography. Develop a sense of creativity, foster feeling of unity. Whenever you are being with your family and friends, it will develop unity. It is a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Next and the last, taking nature walk. Nature walk is important in every age of our life. If we take nature walk, it will give fresh air to our body, to our brain, and whenever we walk in the nature, it will give a silent features in our mind. It will develop our brain. It calms a troubled mind. Yeah, if you are busy in normal life, you can go any peaceful place, and after that you will realize your body will relax. It improves positive and mentally well being. It helps build sense of creativity. Whenever you are in the forest, for this you are being creative. It induces the basis quality of living in harmony, peace and cooperation. Whenever you feel, you go in the forest and any villages, they are living with peace and harmony. So this is the way of stress maintenance. So if you feel, then you need to move on this. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.